Hi everyone, if you know me, that's great. If you don't know me, my name is Hridesh Vadai and I am the founder of HTM Growers. And all we do is build advertising infrastructure for D2C luxury brands. So today we are going to reach out to some few D2C brands and we're going to see if they're running Facebook ads, and if they're not, how we can help them, what are the problems that they're facing, and we're going to send them emails. So how this is going to take place, I'm going to tell you right now in a step-by-step thing. First, we will take out all the leads. I have 35 leads ready from Google DP search. Then we will check out their emails, check out what they actually have done till yet, what are their winning ads, how much impressions they are getting, and what are the problems they are facing or what they are actually lacking. Some things like what they can newly try, like craftsmanship and more. Secondly, we are going to check that how can I actually help them in running ads or finding their audiences and what more can be done. This is going to be done at a 3 touch point. So number one is we send them a cold email, then we reply to that cold email in the second touch point, and then we reach out to them on other platforms like Instagram and LinkedIn. And third, at the last, that we are going to send them the last email. And also we are going to record Looms for them, or actually I'm going to use Google Vids instead of Looms. I think Google Vids is going to be a very perfect platform to send directly through Google Vids instead of sending them the email. You will see what I'm talking about, and let's move on. So here's my screen and let's begin with. So I'm going to just open all the outreach that we are going to do, all the leads that I have ready right now. I have a document available, so I'm just going to go on my drive and yeah. So these are all the qualified prospect overview metrics. I'm just going to repeat it. These are all their names with the revenue they are having right now, estimated monthly revenue, estimated monthly profit, and estimated monthly profit. And we are going to open each and every website and we are going to do it. Now, before I tell you anything how we are going to move forward, what tools we are going to use. Number one is you find the leads using Gemini, Google Deep Research, then use Claude to write all the email sequences. And next day we will actually record all the looms for all 35 clients and we'll send them very well over the time period. So let's move on to that. You tap and we are going to directly open Claude. For every brand, I have a research done available here. I am also going to open my CRM at Notion. CRM, we have it at business. CRM here. Right, so let's read about the brand, what it actually does. Okay, so this brand actually does the 100% eco-friendly bags and the integration of customer service. That's great. Products are highly customizable, like interchangeable pockets, often cause surf mobile friction, leading to abandoned carts when users face decision fatigue. Okay. Deploying dynamic creatives, optimization, DCO, great outreach, personalized angle, post-purchase, upsell flow, like lower front end and acquisition cost. First of all, we will actually go and check if they are running the Facebook ads or not. Have this brand, I'm going to copy them. I'm going to go plus, enter, go to their website. Also, we are actually going to verify their email addresses. So I'm going to use a free tool called expertise.com. And to write all the emails, we will use Claude, and then to rewrite it or modify it into a good cold email that doesn't land into spam, we are going to use Lamlist. Okay, interesting. Yeah, brand is good. We can close. We're going to check the LinkedIn. Okay, they are active on LinkedIn too. So that's great. That's great. I want to check the Facebook first of all. So yeah, let's leave the LinkedIn. Okay, let's verify their founder. We found her. Okay, we have 2 founders available for this specific brand. And how many emails do I have? So let's verify the emails. This is our email finder tool. So I'll just actually go to the email verifier tool. They're having 255k followers. That's quite a lot. So yeah, they still comes under our business. So let's focus. Okay, we are going to all countries. Select all ads. We're going to write the name. Cafe. Okay, they have more than one account available. Well, interesting. I probably think they might be running ads. Yes, we are having some issues here. Okay, yeah, they are actually running ad in French. So let me translate this page in order to understand better. Now we are translating page here, man. Translate. English. Yep, I asked Jimmy how my pet thinks. He said, "Any gotten cold, hasn't died." Okay, the duffel bag. And this is sorted by their impressions, high to low. That means their highest impression getting ad is this one. Suddenly cold, hasn't it? Discover your collection of warm. And what are the recent ads actually? I want to see what they're actually running in the recent times. Sorted by, so we can actually reach out to this brand, and this brand actually has a lot of potential that we can help with them. Okay, so what they're actually right now leaving it on the table is the craftsmanship ads, seeing behind the scenes ads, like how they're actually building these bags and everything, and how you can show it as the founder's story instead of just a brand story, so that people can relate to a person instead of just a brand. And I see a lot of potential in these kinds of ads. So we'll reach out to them with these kind of ad offers, and we will see, we will give them first one trial, and let's write the emails for them now. By the way, I wanted to see what kinds of recent ads they're running, simple ads and video ads. Influencer ads are also good, and these kind of, I don't rely on influencers more, because if you see their face and they move on to the next product very fast. So the product narrative is actually gets damaged in influencer ads, but I would like to have craftsmanship ads here if I'm running these ads. So I will just reach them out with these kind of ads. Okay. And founder story, which they are actually missing. And I see this ad. Okay. Low impression count. The recent ads they launched. Let's see why this ad actually is getting the low impression count. Okay, so one thing I'm seeing here is that the brand is continuously relying on influencers and the same kind of ad. So these can actually lead to ad fatigue. That means customers are getting tired of seeing the same ad continuously over the same time period. And if they're trying the photo ads, these are actually good for retargeting. If a customer has already added the product to the cart, you can just run the photo ad and they will remind them, okay, I have this in my cart and I can order it. But for a video ad is for a cold customer, cold audience. always influencers ads won't work and they will get tired. I have a good example of Whisperflow. I was actually seeing their ads continuously on my platform and I got so tired of it. So this is the brand and I actually want them to run the craftsmanship ads, and I think that would be very, very helpful. So yeah, let's move on and write them the email. So yeah. I mean, they have a lot of potential here. The kind of ads they are running on Facebook, they can try the same ones here. And also the craftsmanship offer is still open to them. So let's write emails now. Okay, his LinkedIn page actually doesn't exist. Well, Gift Cloud, we have CRM from Notion, where. Right. Let's search again. People. I mean, on them. Oh, we have it. We got him. So we got him. Here he is. I'm just gonna send him a follow for now. That's it. Nothing else. I'm not gonna reach out to him right now. Send a connection request later. Let's see if he's active on LinkedIn or not. He's active on LinkedIn. Last about 2 months ago. So I'm gonna go on crop top and I'm gonna translate this. He's serious, is boring. Well, not my type of person. Try again. And done. Copy, follow, got him. 6K followers, amazing. He might be active on LinkedIn, I guess. Right, yes. 5 minutes ago, okay, not much, but still there. See, we are going to the company and we cannot follow the company, so I'm just going to follow the company. Let's start writing the emails for them. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to go to a bot that I've created specifically for writing the email, not bot. In Cloud, we have projects. So I'm going to the project bot, which is called the Cold Outreach Email Writer. I'm going to send him all the details I have available for the founder. So I'm going to write and go here. Next brand. We have to send emails to is copy, paste it here, right? We also need the revenue, whatever. I'm gonna CRM Cloud and I'm gonna say, I see they are running ads on Facebook and Google ads. I see a low impression. I see recent ads getting low impressions because of ad fatigue. They have been focusing on same type of ads again and again. It's just the start. They can focus on new ads that include craftsmanship and founder story, or like founder face. After this, we need to actually look and send them the emails as offers. So we'll tell them what offer we are going to write it. All the prompts and everything are actually included in this project. So all I have to do is attach research and attach the founder name. If you haven't done the research, this bot automatically does the research for you. But right now I have the research available and the emails available. So I'm just going to send it all the details. Is email for, I'm not going to tell it for the looms because looms are specific for us. We will be doing that tomorrow and I know the script. I don't want its help in that. Something should be original. Let me send this and it's gonna write all the emails. Write all the emails and use the show me you know me method. If you're thinking why I'm actually doing all this research and I'm not sending all the hundreds and thousands of cold emails that everyone does, the answer lies here because I actually want to use the show me you know me method. In this today's world, actually everyone is just spamming everyone. And I want to research them. I want them to have two kinds of news, a bad news and a good news. The bad news will be that this is a cold email, but the good news would be that this is a well-researched cold email. So, well, yeah. We send them the emails. So we have our emails ready here. Huh. Okay. Email 1 is too long, email 2 is too long, email 3, I'm gonna send. All emails are too long. I think it's showing up error. Pre-try it. Use Canvas and keep emails concise. Let's send it and let's see how it's gonna do it now. Most of the emails are good. Email 1 is actually too long. I'm gonna send it again. I think it's fine. Let's forward email 3. Okay. So as you can see, we now have available all the emails that we need. One of our 35 emails are actually done after about 38 minutes.